What's happening, guys? Welcome out to a brand new video right here on the theme park in Santee, and more importantly, we're here to fly a broom over Yorkshire. Yeah, I know that sounds mad, doesn't it? But regardless of that, we're here at Wand in Leeds. Now, this attraction opened to the public in September of last year. It's one of 5 across the country, and this one is actually the biggest of its kind. It's got a 9-hole mini golf course, a bar both inside and outside, and as of today, a brand new broom flying school, or broom school. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. So we're going to take you guys inside. We're going to show you exactly what this actually has to offer, and ultimately, as I said before, we're going to fly a broom over Yorkshire. Let's go. Right, here we go. So, back at the Wand, we've got a potions master making his way through.
Hello!
Mr. Ben, aka, Ben Watkins.
Potions master here.
Well,
welcome. Yeah. Look, there's a badge and everything.
That's fantastic, is that? How you doing, mate? All right?
Good, good. We're magical over here.
Fantastic, lovely. Well, we're here to fly a broom. We're here, we've got a broom school, which actually I'm seeing a video for over here. This looks really cool.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
That's one of my resident chief wizards, that.
Well, I saw your video online last night and it looked really good fun. Loved it.
Fun, that's one way of looking at it, yeah?
Absolutely. But yeah.
Flying over Scarborough there, the majesty of Scarborough.
Scarborough Castle as well. Looks absolutely brilliant. Well, without further ado, let's get this started. Well, here you go then. So here is the broom. So as you can see, surrounded by a green screen, which of course is obviously what they're going to use to overlay the video of you flying. Now it's done, of course, with that technology there. Got a camera, they'll film you on it. You got a fan to simulate, obviously, kind of wind coming at you. And actually, I've just sat on this. This is really comfortable, is this? Now, they have featured this at other ones across the UK as well. So they've actually got this in York at the moment too. But it looks like a really fun experience. I am going to film myself doing it. And then, of course, I will show you the finished result as well. So let's go fly a broom over Yorkshire.
Hello, everyone! And welcome here to the Potions Cauldron Flight School, okay? So, before I must take you on your flight, I need to do a couple of tests. So make sure you are ready to take on a mighty dragon whilst you're on your broom.
Sounds good to me.
Indeed. So, are you ready? Are you feeling magical?
Absolutely, yeah, always magical.
Are you feeling magical?
Yes.
Good! Excellente. So, I am Bumble. I'm not the potions master right today. I am the broom master. Okey-dokey. So, now before you take your flight and test you on your broom skills, I'm afraid you are going to have to pick up a cloak from over there.
Right, okay, so let's get my cloak on. Put that down there so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so let's see what we got. I think I'll go for this one. This looks nice and comfortable.
Have you flown a broom before?
I never have, no. This is my first time doing it.
Oh, first time. Do not worry, you're in safe hands. I can see the magic emanating off you. Trust me. Theme park insanity, eh? Yes. We've heard about you in the wizarding world.
I'm well known.
You're well known, yes. You're the legend of Joe of Theme Park Insanity.
I don't know if that's right, but to be fair, yeah, we'll get there eventually. So.
There we go. Excellent. Well, you picked the correct robe. You look very dashing in your robe and your wizarding robe.
Amazing, I'll take that.
Today, on your broom, you will be flying on a Whiz Bang Classic, okay? So not to be mixed up with Phileas Fry's broom, the Whiz Bang Woo Mark 1. You will be going on the Whiz Bang Turbo Classic.
Wow, that sounds good fun.
Excellente. So, I'm afraid you yourself need a wand, so I will bestow this wand upon you.
Watch out, I'm dangerous.
Okey-dokey. So I am going to ask you right now to mount the broom.
Right, here we go. Got my wand, got my broom.
Before you go on your test, I'm afraid I need to do a quick eye test. Which I'm afraid most of you mortals might need to do that during driving what you believe a car.
To be fair, yeah, we do need to do that,
So, could you please read out here the name
of Natty Turnabout.
And what is the name of that broom?
Fireflyer.
Yes! Excellent!
There we go. See? Good eyes.
Right, okay, so you need to first work out the enchantment spell of flight, okay?
Right.
So, repeat after me and whale up your wand really high and say, Fugan, Fugan!
Fugan, Fugan!
Yes, excellent. Again!
Fugan, Fugan!
Hey!
Hey!
Alas, on your flights, you will come across the most amazing of places. Gothland,
Wow.
Whitby,
Nice.
Scarborough,
Fantastic.
Castle Howard.
Not been
and,
there.
Of course, we're going to York and we're going to be in the Shambles.
Amazing. Finishing at the right place.
But unfortunately, on your journeys, I'm afraid you might find some dragons. So, afraid I need you to get an enchantment and a spell to ward off any dragons, which is Draconis Esto!
Draconis Esto!
Again, it's a dragon, quick!
Draconis Esto!
Yes, of course. So, now, you'll be seeing it on this magical, enchanted little tablet here, and I will guide you through the process.
Amazing.
Okay?
Sounds good to me.
Now, do you remember the first spell of flight?
Fugan, Fugan.
Yes, of course. So, now, pull up your wand high and go, Fugan, Fugan!
Fugan, Fugan!
Okay? 4, 3, 2, 1.
And we're off.
Fugan, Fugan!
Fugan, Fugan!
There you are!
Hey!
Yes, excellent. So,
Whoa!
swim to the right!
Hey! Oh, okay, I'm going backwards.
Loop the loop!
Woo!
And now,
This is awesome.
now we're going to go into a freestyle fly. Do what you want.
Hey!
There we go. You are the master of your own flight.
Let's go.
Okay, now turn right.
That's left.
Okay. Loop the loop.
Woo!
Hey! Excellent. Now you're going to be swooping right against the backdrop of the amazing bench.
I'm round somewhere. There we are.
You'll be swooping left.
Go that way. Oh!
Watch out for the dragon, quick!
Ah!
Quick, do the spell Draconis Esto!
Draconis Esto!
Draconis Esto!
Draconis Esto!
Yay! Excellent work, you've warded off the dragon.
Brilliant.
Excellent work. And now, freestyle. And now we are going.
Way!
Champagne! Oh, watch out for the owls. Let's say hi.
Hello!
And there you go. You're now finished. Excellent. There we go, Wizard. I'm very proud of you. Okay. You managed to pass the tests.
Wow.
Yes, as you can see, taking a look around the room of all the many broom riders, they'll be very proud of you. There we go.
Absolutely
We have
fantastic.
Vivius Fry, one of our original alchemist, Natty Turnabout, one with the good dragon tamers, and Grubbleduck, the cheeky Grubbleduck, which is the little naughty little gargoyle.
Seems to get around that guy.
Yes, very, very popular in our York realm. Yes.
Absolutely.
So, after you've done that, for just the magic of $4.99, what you can get is a QR code download of your video, which we just made there. Also, this does include Witch's Brew. Okay? With the Witch's Brew, this will cure all ailments. But it also will help you in your flight. What we do is here, we turn this around, we swirl it around 3 times, and we tap the bottom, we tap the top, and it awakens the magic inside. There you go.
It's amazing. And it does taste very nice, that I've got to...
It does taste really nice as well.
Very, very
it cures all ailments,
Absolutely.
but it tastes nice. That's the main thing.
That's the most important thing. Yeah, definitely.
And also you do get a little badge
Fantastic
there.
one to go on my board at home. Amazing. Right, okay, so I believe you've got a...
I've got a badge for you.
Ooh.
I'm afraid this badge is in here. You have to go in and find it.
It's around there somewhere.
Is it not there?
It's not there,
Hold
no.
on a second. What the devil is this? Oh my. Right, hold on.
Is it in there somewhere?
Is it in there? Is it in here? Oh my devil. Oh, pumpkins, it's not in there. Hold on a second. I'll have to give you your wand back, I'm afraid. Okay.
Right.
Now, repeat after me. We'll do it together. We'll do it together.
Got to do this right.
Okay. Baggio Reperio!
Baggio Reperio!
Okay.
Has it worked?
Okay.
That's the main question.
Now, try again.
There we are.
I'm back to the
Hey! There we are, just like magic, literally. And there we are, so huge thank you there to Bumble, the potions master, the broom master. Ben, absolute legend that he is, he really, really is. But yeah, you do get a QR code, so you scan that, download your video, and then of course you can share it on social media, store it however you want to do. It's a really fun experience, it really is. And as I said, you do get, of course, the witch's brew, which as you can see, and you do get the badge, which is currently in my pocket. But yeah, really good fun, £4.99. I mean, normally, realistically, they're about sort of £3 on each anyway, so you're effectively getting a broom thing for around about £1.50, which is fantastic. It really is. Good fun experience. As you saw, it lasts probably about 5 minutes or so, but there's a little bit of kind of sort of theatrics on either side of it as well, just to kind of make it that bit more special. Kids are going to absolutely love this, they really are, there's no mistake. And if you are a Harry Potter fan and you live in Leeds, obviously this isn't a Harry Potter thing, it's completely disassociated with it, but it's got that inspiration, and you do want to fly a broom, that's your opportunity. Huge thank you though to the guys at Holy Wand here in Leeds for inviting me down to do this. Really appreciate this. I've had an amazing time, and there will be a separate video at some point over the coming weeks of us actually checking out the golf course, doing all of that as well. And then of course at some point there is the bar to check out, and again that will be a separate video that will probably go on our second channel, My Final Cut, because of course food and drink related. But ultimately, had a really good time. Definitely recommend coming and checking this out. I do think it is worth what you're actually paying, personally. And overall, huge thank you to the guys at Holy Wand for allowing me to do this. And there you have it. So that was our experience here at Holy Wand Leeds, checking out their brand new Broom School, which is open from today, this Saturday. And there will be full links, of course, below to obviously find out more information about it. Really good fun. Definitely worth the price, and as I said before, in terms of value, it's absolutely spot on. If you want to see more videos like this and you do want to see more Hole in One content, or indeed more kind of theatrical, immersive attraction content, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to avoid missing out. And if you've enjoyed this video in particular, I'd love it if you could smash that like button to let me know. But from myself, Joe, here at Hole in One Leeds, this is Theme Park Insanity, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.